Hi guys, welcome to Easy Coder channel. And last session we installed Python in your PC successfully. Now in this session we will discuss what is CLI and what are the best IDEs available in market to develop Python code. So CLI we will give input and we will receive output. So in real time enterprise level, in order to develop application using Python, so it's better to use IDE instead of command line CLI. So what are the best IDEs available in market? We'll see. So best IDEs for Python. So lightweight IDEs, you can use Sublime Text, so which is recommended one. I am using this one. So Atom also very good one. And other IDEs PyCharm. So this is integrated development environment developed by IntelliJ. So Visual Studio, you can use Visual Studio and PyDev also. So we'll see how we can create a project in the PyCharm. So this is a PyCharm IDE user interface. So you can create, if you want to create a project, you can create a project. You can select Python. If you want to create a Python project, there are several options like a Django. You can create a project Django, and this is a Flask. You can create a Flask project. These are the GUI frameworks available in Python, and you can develop AngularJS project. You can use Bootstrap, React. So there are several options. If you want to create a Python project, select this option and give your project name. Like if you want to give your project name Python tutorial 1, and select a location where you want to store your project and select the virtual. These are the default, keep it default, create. So it will going to create a project. So you have main.py file, so where you can write your code here. So you can suppose you to be equal to 3, print a plus b. It will give auto sessions. You can print here. So you got the output here. You can see this is the console where you can see output. So you can do the same thing in Python. Using Sublime also you can use this same thing. I declare two variables. Just I'm abandoning this to one variable, storing in one variable. And how to run this in PyCharm? Press Ctrl Shift B, and you will get a pop-up, and you can run. So you got output. So this is a environment we set up for developing your Python applications, Python coding. So in later session we will discuss about variables, how to use the variables, what is the scope of the variables, and another session we will discuss how to read the files and how to declare the class, how to create objects. We will discuss in later sessions. Thank you, and please kindly subscribe to my channel.